It's time. Here comes our boy Jensen Karp with a halftime soccer report.
Jensen,
I think.
Come on over.
Now, I think what we'll do here is we'll do a quick narration of the squad and then have you take over.
Yeah.
All right. Everybody's beginning with a Glamour Shots mall photo pose, moving right into a defiant protest stance. But that doesn't change their handcuff arms as they go into gym workout. But that's not where things are going to stay. They're going to squeegee the window and move right into, don't let those flies get near me. Uh-oh, it's time
Tickle
to have
time.
Deliver a baby. Obstetrician, they just literally changed a diaper and wiped the bum.
Pony Hour here at Pistol Shrimps Radio.
But it ain't going to last 60 minutes because it's time to move into the kick step Xena move. Uh-oh, ragdoll marionette and a Cabbage Patch back to the Who Cares.
Throw your hands up in the air. Now we got a line, and it's coordinated. They're spreading out
This is
and
Pistol
coming back
Shrimps
together.
Radio Classics. Oh, they're facing off in a lineup. Who did the crime? No way to tell because we're all doing push-ups and loin thrusts.
Couple of worms just wiggled their way out of there.
Now there's a random good time. Uh-oh, it's time to walk like an Egyptian and then shove your butt into the lady's vagina behind you.
It does look like a pharaoh strut, doesn't it?
Kickboxing phalanx moving into random assortment of people and bodies bouncing off each other.
They're gonna
come hither invitation so we can rub our midriffs on each other.
Yeah, let's pump it hard on Pistol Shrimps Radio.
That's right. And now drive a stick shift with both hands. Back to the ragdoll marionette. Oh, with a knee slide forward.
And a knee slide backward.
Just when you thought it couldn't even out, they're going to end back-to-back, seated in some kind of Lady Hawk, I'll see you at the dusk twilight move. Well, that was a wonderful routine, but...
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for Jensen Karp and the Soccer Report.
The Greg Escalante
Greg
Soccer
Escalante,
Report.
of course.
How's it
Now,
going,
I'm
guys?
sorry.